everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another one of those exciting videos because I do have Louis Vuitton unboxing to do. I ordered this item online and wait till you guys see it. You guys are going to be shocked at what I picked up. I don't think anyone is going to be able to guess what I picked up, so I'm not going to even ask you to guess it. But basically, since I ordered this online, it came in like big shipping box, which I threw out. And then this time, they did end up sending me a little, like a Louis Vuitton magazine with it, which is like really cool. I have not ever been sent any magazine. It's just really cool. Like I'll insert like a close-up shot for you guys so you guys can see what's inside the magazine. It's really cool. I now have an actual magazine to look through, and it's just really cool. It's just fun, and it's just like a little extra thing. I guess they want me to buy like more stuff, so they sent me this magazine with all like amazing pictures and all these bags on it and like colorful. And anyways, so there's the magazine. But coming back to the box now, let's just quickly unbox this so I can show you what I have in there. So there is my item. As you can tell, it's a different kind of dust bag. Usually they have this folding dust bag. It's not a drawstring dust bag, but I think the fact that it's a drawstring dust bag this time, it may give you a little bit of an idea of what it could be. But if it didn't, then no worries, because you guys are going to be seeing it in just a moment. Ta-da! So there it is. Yes, I picked up the NOÉ in the classic monogram, and this is the Noe BB. It does come with a strap. It's a long strap, and then here is the interior. Oh my god, this bag is okay. So there is. Okay, you guys are gonna probably be mad at me, like what is it with me and NOÉs? But if you have been following me for a while, you guys know that at one point in time, I did own this bag. I owned it in the Demi Azure canvas. This was like 2 years ago. And then although I really liked the bucket style and everything, I feel like that bag, like that Demi Azure in this bag just didn't like ring a bell for me. It was a great bag, but it didn't stay on my shoulder. I was essentially looking for a long shoulder bag, like that kind of look, because I do have a lot of crossbody bags with me. So I was looking for that long shoulder bag kind of look on me, and that bag just wouldn't stay on my shoulder. It would just continuously keep falling off. And then even when I had it on, like it would just keep bumping into people. It was a hot mess when I had that bag. So I ended up like getting rid of it. And then obviously I didn't forget about the bag. I just kept keeping an eye on it on the website. And a few times the Demi Azure was available to be purchased online, but I didn't want to buy it and like kind of get into that whole thing of, you know, having the bag and then thinking about whether it's really for me and stuff like that. So I didn't order it. But then I didn't really forget about the monogram one. And this one, mind you, I feel like this one is a little bit hard to get than the Demi Azure. I've seen multiple times Demi Azure become available, but not this one as much. But then finally, this was available to be placed in cart. Mind you, I was stalking the website like crazy. I really wanted this bag. And then at some point I realized that the style of NOÉs, like this bucket bag style, I feel like it suits the monogram canvas more than it suits the Demi Azure. I don't know what it is, but I feel like when I see this bag in the monogram canvas, it gives me that tingle feeling compared to when I see it in the Demi Azure canvas. So long story short, I did end up getting my hands on this bag. It's beautiful. I really love it. I think I love the size of it. It's just perfect for me. I really love the Petite Noe too. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I had this whole battle with Petite Noe because I just love this bucket style bag. The only problem was that it was just too big for me. I was scared of Pochette, which mind you, I still am. And that's why I ordered the apple guard this time. I'm going to be making another video where I'm going to spring this bag with apple guards, so stay tuned for that. But basically, I'm still kind of scared of Pochette, but I think this time I'm going to take chance. I really love this bag and it hasn't left my thoughts ever since I once owned it in the past. So I'm not letting this one go ever again. But I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can have a good look at the bag. But here is the bag up close. And I don't know if it zooms in correctly, but all the rivets, like these things here, they're all like upside down. Sorry, not upside down. They're perfectly aligned. So it does say Louis on top and then Vuitton on the bottom. So it's just really, really good. I love it. It's just perfectly aligned, every single one of them. And the bag is aligned on the side too. Here it is. It's just perfectly matching and it's perfectly aligned. Same thing on this side. I think one of the sides, there's a little bit of wrinkling. Yeah, here it is. So this side you can see there's a little bit of wrinkling over here, but that's okay. That's not gonna stop me from loving the bag. On one side over here at the bottom, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. And then the other side says made in France. There it is. And then for some reason, I think the hot stamp is a little bit lighter than what it used to be. I don't know what it is, but definitely this one is a little bit lighter than all of my other bags, but that's okay. Inside there's just one big compartment. There's nothing else. So these two little things, if you're wondering, these belong to the strap. I'm gonna put the strap on in a little bit so you guys can see. But basically there's nothing else in the bag, like there's no other organization or anything. There's one D-ring on one side, but that's pretty much it. Here is the bottom, and I think it's in a good condition. That you may see like some stains, but that's because I got the bag and I kind of left it out for like a couple of days just so that it gets to breathe and everything, because I did end up ordering it. And mind you, when you order it, it's like your bag is sitting in the box for like 5 days, 4 days, however long it takes for the shipping and everything to go through. So I just wanted to make sure that it stays out and it breathes and everything. So that's why I left it outside, but otherwise all the stitching and everything is in a really good condition. There's no other issue or anything like that I see with this bag. And I just really, really love it. Let me just put on the strap for you so you guys can have a good look at it. So here's the strap. Actually, let me show you the strap first. So here's the strap. It's a long one and it's very stiff right now, and that's kind of understandable because the bag is like brand new. Here it is up close. There we go. It does say Louis Vuitton Paris right in the middle. So there's the strap, and then there's a little like a red trimming, not trimming, how should you say it, like a red glazing on the side, which I think looks very beautiful. There it is. So I will put the strap on so you guys can see. So I think for this one you have to loop it around. It's a loop around strap. There we go. Now you guys will be able to see it. So I think you put it on from the top just like this, and then I'm gonna put it in the middle section, like the middle hole, so it's kind of like in the middle. And then here's the other side. Whoops, please don't be dropped. So there it is. So obviously it looks a little funny right now because it's very stiff and everything, but it'll calm down, I'm pretty sure. Let me cinch it in so you guys can see what it looks like with all cinched in and everything. All right, so here it is. As you can see, it looks kind of funny like this. The string, the drawstring looks a little bit funny, but that's because it's really, really stiff right now. It's a brand new bag, but once it gets a chance to calm down and everything, I'm pretty sure it's gonna look really, really pretty, and it's not gonna look very funny and like, yeah. So that's pretty much it. There's my bag. I will insert some mod shots at the end, Before I end the video though, I wanted to show you guys this organizer that I ended up ordering for my Noe BB. This is a really good organizer. I ended up ordering it from Etsy and it was just really good. I'm gonna leave my code up here on the screen for you, as well as in the description box down below. So if you're interested in purchasing this organizer or any other one, like if you have a Noe BB and you wanna purchase an organizer for it or any other bag, then use my code, you'll get 10% off, and it's not that much, but it's still something. It's nice, especially if you're ordering like multiple things. But yeah, the seller is really nice. She was just amazing. And I'm gonna make another video on this because I did end up ordering like a few other accessories to go for this bag because I was really excited. But basically I'll make another separate video just talking about this organizer and everything. But I just want to give you a heads up that this organizer I have is for this bag, and I just really love it. There's hair on it, but I really love it. And yeah, that really does it for today's video. Like I said, stay tuned for some mod shots. I want to show you guys what this bag looks like on me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.